Hi everyone, today's question is vectors. Now question 1, explain how you know that vector 3i minus 7j plus 5k and vector 5i plus 5j plus 4k are perpendicular vectors. Now if they are perpendicular, okay, if perpendicular vectors, scalar product, which is times in this vector and this vector, or so let's say this is vector u, that's a vector v. So then I'll go vector u times vector v has to be equal to 0. So let's have a look. So we already said vector u is 3i minus 7j plus 5k, and the v was 5i plus 5j plus 4k. Okay, so I'll just say let. All right, and then I'm going to do multiply. Dot means times. So I'm going to don't forget, don't times the i's together, just the numbers, yeah? 3 times 5, and then when you plus it, and then it's minus 7 times 5, 5 plus times 4. So 15 minus 35 plus 20, which is 15 plus 20, 35 minus 35 equals 0. So therefore, they are perpendicular. Okay, so that was the first question. Second question, find a vector that is perpendicular to both vectors over 2i plus j minus k and I minus 2j plus k. Now, how am I going to do that? This is a bit of a try and error or guessing work. So let's have a look. I'm going to write it 2 times something plus, I'm going to look at this one, 1 times something plus minus 1 times something has to be 0, yeah, for this one. And this one, let's see, I go 1 times something plus minus 2 times something plus 1 times that. So, and that has to be 0. So these values has to be same. Now, which one will be making zeros? Now, there's a bit of a try and error things happening, but what I will suggest is just have a go at it. Like, let's just put 1 there and see what happens. 1, and then if I put, so for example, 3. So that's going to create what? 2 plus 3, 5. And if I put 5 there, that'll be 0 for this one, isn't it? Yeah. And then let's see if it actually works for this one. So 1, 3, 5. That's 1. That's minus 6. That's 5. Voila. Yes, it does work. So luckily it worked for both. Okay. But then I thought, whether it actually, if I make it into double up, will it be okay? So if I go 2, 6, 10, will it work? So that would be 4 plus 6 is a 10, and then minus 1 times 10 is minus 10. It works. Let's see if it works here. 2, 6, 10. So that is a 2 plus minus 12 and plus 10. So 10 plus 2 is 12, minus 12, it works. What about if I triple it? 3 and 9 and 15. Okay, so that would be 6 plus 9 will be 15, wouldn't it? And then minus 15. Excellent, it works. And if I put that in here as well, it still works. Excellent. That actually tells me that C times I plus 3j plus 5k. Now I say put C there. C is a constant because Whatever we double, triple, it all worked. Okay, that's how you do it. All right, good luck. Thank you.